All right, so we're moving on. Now we're going to look at the most versatile app, and that is the content app. So let's open up this homework page, which initially comes up with the assignment app, which can be useful. Unfortunately, it doesn't talk to Aries. It's a lot of work to put your assignments into two different places, and I think that the kids are starting to get the hang of Aries. So I honestly would just keep putting your assignments in Aries and tell the kids to look there for assignments. So we're going to delete that assignment app right now, and we're going to use the content app, which is the most versatile app. When you open it up, it's just basically a big text box, kind of like a blank page like on Microsoft Word, and we can put anything we want in here. We have the ability to put in text, so hello, this is text. And again, we can make it bigger or smaller. We can, we can make it really big. We can change its color. We can underline it and make it bold and italicize it. All those kind of fun things. The other things we can do in here is we can insert a link, we can insert an image, or we can insert a file. So if there's like a one-off thing, that's not enough to build a whole link library around, or a whole file library around, or you're kind of going to run your website kind of like a blog where you're going to update it every week, and you're going to type a block of text, and you're going to insert pictures and links in there. This would be the way to do it instead of trying to do it with a link library or a file library. So as I'm typing, let's bring this text back in line with kind of normal text here. Normal size. There we go. Let's get it back to black. So I could say, hello everyone. Please download this file. And I'm going to insert a file that I would like them to download and keep for home. So I'm going to click Insert File. I'm going to upload a file from my computer. And I am going to upload this time, let's upload the shirt preview. There we go, that'll work. So click Continue on that. Text to display would be picture of a shirt. There we go, insert that. So now you see that the words picture of a shirt are blue, and they're a link that they can click on, and when they click on it, it's going to let them download that file. And when you are done downloading that, please visit, and we'll insert a link to a different website. Now, the insert link page here, or insert link button, you can link to something that's on our site already, like something else from Deer Valley High's page. So we could go Deer Valley High School and the channel. Maybe I want to send them to something on the activities page, like the Daily Bulletin, right? And I could send them to the Daily Bulletin page. Or I could insert an email address that I'd like them to click on, or I could send them to some random web address. So I just need to get that web address and copy and paste it, like if I want them to go to Disney.com, right? We'll copy that, and we'll go back to our page that we're editing. The web address is Disney.com. The text display would be Disney's, web page. There we go. Insert link. There we go. So now I have text. I have a download. I have a file that I want them to download, a picture of a shirt. I have a link for them to visit, and we can even add pictures. So we're going to insert an image on this page. You see here, we're going to upload an image from our computer. Let's grab that picture of Zach again. And here it's asking what size it would like it to be. You could do the original, which is going to be really, really big. We could make a small thumbnail, medium, large. I'm going to go with medium, 300 by 300. It's going to work on that. It's going to ask you to put in alternative text, which is if someone is viewing the web with pictures turned off, which is pretty rare these days. You could put in a picture of Zach. People aren't really going to see this. So I'm not going to lie to you. Sometimes I get lazy and I just put a dash. And there we go. So now I've got a picture on my page. Isn't this cool, right? Okay. So now I can click save on that. And if we go to our web page and we load this page, you'll see, there we go, hello, this is text. If everyone please download this picture of a shirt. There it is, and now we can save that image, and then we can also visit Disney's webpage by clicking on that link, and then here's the picture we put, and then you see when I hover over it, the dash that we put in shows up. So don't write anything too silly in there in that alternative text, because when people hover their mouse over that picture, that alternative text is going to show up. All right. So the content page is by far the most configurable, right? It has the ability to view the source code, which looks like a lot of spaghetti gobbledygook to some people, but if you wanted to embed a YouTube video the way that DVTV is embedded on the page, or if you wanted to embed a SoundCloud link, or embed a Google document on your page that you wanted to view right then and there, using the source code button would be how to do it. And if you guys have any questions with that, feel free to email me, and I can come by and show you how to do it. But the content app is by far the most configurable, and it's got a spell check, which is nice, so definitely spell check your stuff. Yeah, let's add the apostrophe to isn't. There we go. And there we go. Mess around with it, and give one for each of your classes, and show off all the great things you do, so that our website looks really nice and the community sees that it looks really nice and knows what a great place we are. All right, good job.